Hello students, welcome to biology class. Last class we studied about the chapter biotechnology principle and process. Today we are going to start with a new chapter biotechnology and its application. So what is biotechnology? The biology, to develop the technology and the product for the human well-being is known as biotechnology. So in that previous chapter, we studied about what are the principles and what are the process to develop the desirable product. Now, what we're going to do in this chapter, we're going to study about how we're going to implement this technique in various different fields. At present, as the coronavirus rages and spreads its impact on the world and the lives of billions, a peculiar field of study has become the cynosure of everyone's eye is biotechnology. So first we're going to discuss about the introductory part of biotechnology. The biotechnology is the word which is coined by Carl Ehrke in 1919. So first point, biotechnology can be also called as cocktail of biology and technology. It is an interdisciplinary field in which living organism and the derivative can be used to develop different products that are useful for society. Biotechnology is an emerging branch of biology which contributing in boosting the global and national economy. So the application of this field ranges from healthcare, medicine, environmental science, forensic science, agriculture and many. So who is Carl Ehrke? So Carl Ehrke is the scientist who given the term biotechnology in the year 1919. As I said before, so this field is like an emerging branch of biology, that is biotechnology. So the spectrum of application of biotechnology is a diverse, has the visible range of electromagnetic radiation. As a result, different sectors of biotechnology have been divided and named with different colors. So let's see the different sectors of biotechnology. Before proceeding that, so we want to discuss about the biotechnology and its applications. Okay, so what are all the various fields? So the first field is food and nutrition, and second one is marine and aquaculture, third one is industrial, fourth is agricultural and environmental, and fifth one is medical, health and diagnostic. So based on this application, we're just going to give the spectrum of colors, how the term indicates with the color of biotechnology, like a green biotechnology, yellow biotechnology, red color biotechnology, that we're going to discuss now. So now we're going to study about the colors of biotechnology. So the first color is food and nutrition, it indicates the yellow color. So this field, particularly we will be calling that as a yellow biotechnology. And next one is marine and aquaculture. We're just going to give the color spectra called blue. So this is called what? Blue biotechnology. And next one is industrial. So for the industrial applications, we're just going to give the color variation is white. So the white biotechnology which reveals the industrial application. And next one is agricultural and environmental. It deals with green color. It's very important one. The green biotechnology which deals with the agriculture and environmental. And last one is medical, health and diagnostic which represent red color. So this is called as red biotechnology. So based on the color spectra, so these are our different nominal name called yellow biotechnology, blue biotechnology, white, green and red biotechnology. So these are the applications which based on the color spectra, we just given the terms. First we're going to discuss about the red biotechnology. So the red biotechnology inclines towards the medical sector. So the main goal is to improve health care by using the living organism by developing the vaccines with the help of genetic engineering. For example, hepatitis B, hepatitis A, DPT, insulin hormones, all we can be produced with the help of this red biotechnology. So next we're going to discuss about the green biotechnology. So this sector of biotechnology inclined towards the agriculture and environment. So this has led us the conventional agricultural methods. So techniques like micropropagation, biopesticides, plant tissue culture, genetically modified crops are all consequence of the green biotechnology. And next one, we're going to discuss about the white biotechnology. So this is otherwise called as industrial revolution, has given a new turn to the human civilization. It has been eased our life and contributed the different product of our needs. And next one, we're going to discuss about hello biotechnology. So this hello biotechnology includes the food and the nutrition. So it is inclined towards conducting the research on bioengineering or genetic engineering experiments to improve the food. Most importantly, this sector is goal to reduce the pollution caused by the meat industry and hence making the industry sustainable. And last, we're going to discuss about blue biotechnology. So this sector of biotechnology is more inclined towards cosmetic, healthcare and aquaculture obtained from marine resources. Addition to this, it helps in obtaining biofuel from microalgae. So these studies is the diversity of life forms present in the ocean by using the modern molecular biological tools and techniques to restoring the wildlife, the aquatic wildlife and the preservation of marine organisms are the part of the blue biotechnology. So these are the application of biotechnology which resembles the color spectra in short. So this will be the recap session. So what is biotechnology? So biotechnology is defined as it is the use of biology to develop the technology and the product for the welfare of human beings. So what are the various applications to be followed in the various fields? They are diagnostic, processed food, waste management, energy production and GMO. So GMO is nothing but genetically modified organisms. So in next video we're just going to deal with this genetically modified organisms. In this session, we discussed about what is biotechnology and with the help of these technology, so how we getting the desirable product by using the principle and process. So how we going to implement this technology in various different fields like diagnostic, medical, agriculture, and we discussed more about the color spectra, so whatever the color spectra which is given to the particular term called like a red biotechnology, green biotechnology, white, yellow and blue. So these we discussed in brief. Thank you.